Hi, I'm Dr. Reed Hall, owner of Columbia Pike and Town & Country Animal Hospitals. Today we'll hear from Dr. Barnett about maintaining your dog's wellness. Stick around for some key steps to keeping your dog happy and healthy. Let's dive into some commonly asked questions about dog wellness with our expert, Dr. Barnett.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Barnett. I am the medical director for Columbia Pike Animal Hospital and Town & Country Animal Hospital. I'm here today with my friend Taz. We are going to talk to you about canine wellness. We're going to answer some questions and hopefully clarify what exactly canine wellness means. A dog wellness exam involves a complete physical, so that is from nose to tail, so that we can evaluate the whole health picture for our canine pets. So being careful and monitoring your dog's wellness does impact the longevity of your pet because it involves preventive health care, which is the key to any wellness program. So after the initial, if you acquire your pet as a puppy, there are puppy visits, there are quite a few frequent puppy visits, but then pet wellness should start annually at the age of 1. So during the wellness exam, a very important part of their wellness exam is annual lab testing. So that should be actually a lab test that does a blood count, all of the organ function tests, tests for parasites, tests for very common diseases we see in this area, tick-borne diseases. So the complete picture. So in addition to doing a complete physical on your pet and then also evaluating their lab work, that is how we are able to early detect problems in dogs such as high blood sugar or elevated kidney value, something that we should be addressing sooner rather than later. So in addition to what we already discussed during the physical and doing some lab work, they're going to also recommend vaccines as well as flea and tick and heartworm prevention. And if appropriate, they're going to also recommend preventative dental care, which could include a complete dental prophy. Some very important environmental factors are exactly what your dog does and where your dog lives. So if your dog happens to go places with you and say hike through the woods, it's going to be very important that your pet is protected against parasites they can pick up in the woods. Early detection of health issues in your dog is important because it allows us to plan an intervention for your dog for whatever their health issue is. And whether that's a dietary change, a medication add, whatever it is, it means that we can take a serious disease and make it very controllable before it gets out of hand. So geriatric dog screening is a little more involved than it would be for an adult or a puppy. So geriatric dog screening should actually involve blood work probably twice a year. Every 6 months is more important in the elderly. And the reason is that they are more prone to some of the chronic diseases, including mobility issues, and that is something that often requires medication. If your pet does have to be on some chronic medication, then of course we need to see them a couple of times a year so that we develop the correct treatment plan for them. In response to the demand and our recommendations for what you should do to keep your pets well, we have recently launched wellness plans. We have wellness plans for kittens, for puppies, for adult dogs, and adult cats. Incorporated in that plan are all of the things that we think are very important for your pet to maintain their wellness. The plans are paid on a monthly basis and are pretty robust as far as what they include.